Hey guys, and welcome to the next React Query tutorial. In this video, I wanted to conclude the series by talking about the React Query DevTools. It's really useful for debugging and also to visualize how React Query works internally. So, the first thing you'll need to do is run the command npm install @tanstack/React Query DevTools. And then all you need to do is navigate to the index.tsx file, and inside the query client provider, you'll just need to add the React Query DevTools component. Then if you navigate back to the app, you'll see this icon in the bottom left corner. If you click on it, it'll open the React Query DevTools. And in here we can see everything that's in the cache. In our case, we have this to-dos query. On the right, in the Data Explorer, we can expand this data, and we'll see that there's a list of 4 items. And this corresponds to the list that we see in the UI. The DevTools also have several useful actions. You can refetch, invalidate, reset, remove, and even trigger loading and error states. So this is a great tool for debugging. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the content of this video series. I'll see you in the next one.